If your kids love dinosaurs and love being in the water, then you have to try this remote control dinosaur out. It is fun and exciting, and it will be a blast to be in a pool, a lake, anywhere. It comes in 2 different colors, so you're able to pick which one you want. It has a 2.4 gigahertz remote control, and it can control it within 50 meters of the dinosaur itself. It comes with a rechargeable battery that you'll need and the screw to take the battery out and be able to secure it in. Here it comes in 3 pieces that's easily put together, and the remote itself. Alright, so this dinosaur is pretty cool. We're going to put it in the water, and that's what's going to get it paired to our remote, because it will not run outside of the water for a safety feature. Just make sure your remote's on. Go ahead and put your dinosaur in the water. So this guy can back up. He can go forward, go side to side, depending on how you do the remote. He's battling the wind right now, but still doing good. He has that spray water feature. That's when you push this. So I can turn it off, turn it back on. So here he has a one-click demo mode. You can push that and watch him swim around. You can see just how cool he looks with his tail going back and forth, looking like a shark in the water. Turn on his spray.